So for a short answer, shorts are short videos that are less than 1 minute long. These are videos that could be from 15 seconds to about 59 seconds. So for the long answer, let's get in straight into the video. Hello and welcome to Tech Kings. So very quickly, I'll be showing you a typical example of a short video on YouTube. Well, to create a short video, it must be within the needed resolution, just like this one. So, creating a short video is not just creating a video that is less than 1 minute and you are done. No, it doesn't work that way. Just like this, you can see some short videos are rectangular in shape, some are vertical, some are horizontal, but what is the exact size of shots that you need to upload to get a lot of views? Now, I could just create mine with resolutions of 1080 by 1080, and that's the standard size. So if it gets thinner than this or it gets bigger than this, it will not get to the short video. So uploading shorts only makes a lot of views when it gets to the short gallery. Let me show you the short gallery. Once it gets to this place, I call this place the promised land. Once your short videos gets to this short gallery, you can see these ones have gained a lot of views. From this first video, you can see 42 million views, 15 million views, 1.6 million views, 38 million views. So this video suits the short gallery requirements. As you can see, they are tall and wide at the same time, the same resolution. You can see the same size. So imagine you creating something like this one and tagging it with hashtag short. It will not get to the short gallery, rather it will only stay there as a normal video. So uploading a short video does not mean it will be less than 1 minute, and it must follow the requirements. So another thing is, when uploading your short videos, make sure to put the hashtag short. The YouTube algorithm stated on one of their reviews that once you upload it, you should input hashtag short. You can see this video here. Hashtag short. So most videos carry hashtag short for YouTube to actually know that these are short videos. But I don't really get that, because most videos don't carry this tag and they actually go far. So the first thing you should think about is making your resolution to be the best for the YouTube. So for more about shorts gallery, short secrets, short promised land, do make sure you like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell button so as to get notified of my latest video. So till next time, we see you again. Goodbye and stay blessed. It's me, Tech Kings.